Navigating your 20s financially can set the stage for long-term financial success. Here are 10 money rules tailored specifically for individuals in their 20s. Create a budget and stick to it. Establish a budget that reflects your income, expenses, and savings goals. Understanding where your money goes helps you make informed decisions and avoid unnecessary debt. Emergency fund. Start building an emergency fund early. Aim to save at least 3 months' worth of living expenses to provide a financial safety net for unexpected events. Start saving for retirement. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans if available. Contribute enough to get any employer match and consider opening an individual retirement account, IRA, to supplement your retirement savings. Avoid high-interest debt. Be cautious about accumulating high-interest debt, such as credit card debt. Focus on paying off any outstanding debts and use credit responsibly. Invest in your skills. Invest in your education and skills to enhance your earning potential. Consider certifications, workshops, or additional education that aligns with your career goals. Live frugally. Embrace a frugal lifestyle by distinguishing between needs and wants. Avoid unnecessary expenses and prioritize saving over excessive spending. Side hustle. Explore side hustles or part-time gigs. This can accelerate your debt repayment, boost savings, and provide additional financial flexibility. Build credit responsibly. Establish and maintain good credit by making timely payments on bills and debts. A positive credit history is crucial for future financial endeavors, such as buying a home or obtaining favorable interest rates. Network and seek mentorship. Invest in professional relationships and seek mentorship. Networking can open up opportunities for career advancement, and mentors can provide valuable guidance on several decisions. Set short and long-term goals. Define clear financial goals for the short and long term. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a home, starting a business, or traveling, having specific goals helps you stay focused and motivated. Remember, your 20s are a critical time for establishing financial habits. By implementing these money rules, you can build a solid foundation for financial success and set yourself up for a more secure future.